Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Marlowe's math class, spring break edition. Today we're going to be doing some review of order of operations or PEMDAS. Okay. My target for today is I can evaluate numerical expressions and recognize that in the absence of parentheses, exponents are evaluated first, followed by multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. So remember, PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Notice multiplication and division and addition and subtraction, right, are both grouped together. All right. So let's take a look at example number 1 and see what that means. So, example number 1 says evaluate the following expressions. 4 plus 9 squared divided by 27 times 4 minus 1. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to read this expression from left to right, and I'm going to ask myself, are there parentheses? No. So then I can check that one off. Next, I'm going to read left to right and see if there are exponents. 4 plus 9 squared. Yes, there are. There's my exponent right there. 9 raised to the second power. Okay? And 9 raised to the second power is equal to 9 times 9, which is 81. Second is right. 4 plus 81 divided by 27 times 4 minus 1. Notice how after I simplified the exponent, I just copied down the rest exactly how it was shown in the original problem. So, next I'm going to start all over. Are there parentheses? No. Are there exponents? No. Is there multiplication or division? Yes. Right? 4 plus 81 divided by 7 times 4. Now notice, I'm going to divide first. Okay? And even though multiplication comes first here, I lumped these together, right? Multiplication and division, because if I'm reading from left to right, I'm going to perform whichever operation comes first. In this case, division comes first. So I'm going to perform the division first. Oh, 4 plus 81 divided by 27 is 3 times 4 minus 1. Okay? Then start all over. Are there parentheses? No. Are there exponents? No. Is there multiplication and division? Yes. Right here. 3 times 4. So again, I'm going to copy down the 4 and a plus sign. 3 times 4 is 12 minus 1. Okay? Let's do it again. Are there parentheses? No. Are there exponents? No. Is there multiplication and division? Not anymore. Is there addition and subtraction? Sure is. 4 plus 12 is 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. And we're done. Okay? Let's take a look at another one. 4 times 4 plus 2 squared plus 12 minus 6. This is a good one. So, using PEMDAS, I go through and I ask myself, are there parentheses? There sure are. Let's start over. So I have my parentheses. Are there parentheses within the parentheses? No. Are there exponents within the parentheses? Yes. So the first thing I want to do is I want to clean up this expression, this term right here, 2 squared. 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. And then I'm just going to copy down the rest. Okay? Now, going back to PEMDAS, are there parentheses? Yes, there are still parentheses. So I gotta keep on working to clean this up. Again, I'm going to copy down the rest. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then we got plus 12 minus 6. Okay? Start over. Are there parentheses? Nope, no more parentheses. Are there exponents? Nope, there are no exponents. Is there multiplication or division? Yes. Right at the beginning here. So going from left to right, I got 4 times 8, 32, plus 12, minus 6. Okay? So, now I can go through and I can do the last part here, which is addition and subtraction, right? So, 32 plus 12 is 44 minus 6. 44 minus 6 is 38. And we're done. Okay? Last example, I have 65 minus 5 squared, or 5 raised to the second power, times 2, plus 2 plus 1 squared, squared. 65 minus 5 squared times 2 plus 2 plus 1 squared squared. Say that 5 times fast. So, may look complicated, but as long as we use PEMDAS, we'll be okay. All right, so my first step is to clean up any parentheses that I have. So going left to right, I look for the parentheses, and I clean up what's inside the parentheses. So, let's copy down the rest first. And let's look at what's inside the parentheses here. I got 2 plus 1 squared. Well, first I have to ask myself, are there parentheses within the parentheses? No. Are there exponents within the parentheses? Yes. 1 squared. Well, 1 squared is equal to 1 times 1, which is just equal to 1. And then that expression within the parentheses is also squared. Starting over, do I have parentheses? Yep, I still have parentheses. So, I'm going to copy down the rest here. What's 2 plus 1? Well, that's 3 squared. All right, do I have parentheses? No. Do I have exponents? Yes. So my next step is to simplify these exponents. So I'm going to have 65 minus 5 squared. Well, 5 squared is equal to 5 times 5, which is 25, times 2 plus 3 squared. 3 squared is equal to 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. Okay? Oh, I think I made a little bit of a mistake here. That should have been a 2 right there. Plus 9. There we go. I thought that looked kind of funny for a second. So, going back to the expression, do I have parentheses? Nope. Do I have exponents? Nope. Do I have multiplication or division? Sure do. Right there. 25 times 2. I have 65 minus 25 times 2. Well, 25 times 2 is 50. And then plus 9. Okay? Go back to the top. Do I have parentheses? No. Do I have exponents? No. Do I have multiplication or division? No. Do I have addition or subtraction? I sure do. 65 minus 50 is 15, and 15 plus 9 is 24. And we're done.